More news coming in. Telangana phone tapping case probe. BRS leader KT Ramarao to appear before the SIT. Telangana police SIT is probing the phone tapping row. The leader speaks to India today. KTR alleges conspiracy by the Congress government. I am a victim. My phone being tapped, he says. SIT meanwhile has served notice to BRS leader Ramarao to appear on the 23rd of January, which is today. The Telangana police SIT probing the alleged phone tapping matter during the previous BRS regime has issued a notice to the party's working president, KT Ramarao, to appear before it, is what we are learning.
So today you've been called, you're summoned in the phone tapping case. You've been asking for it. Now the government has called you for it. What do you have to say?
Well, you know what? This has been going on for the last 2 years. This is one of the most frivolous, most silly cases that I've seen in my entire political career. If you think about it, what has been happening in the last 2 years? There's not been a single official statement from the government. There's not been an official press conference from the officials. All they've been saying, all they've been doing is giving leaks, managing media and managing headlines, and somehow trying to basically kill time so as to ensure that the incompetence of the government of Telangana and the Congress party does not come to the fore. So what I would like to believe is, क्योंकि चीफ मिनिस्टर अभी दावोस में है, वहां से अमेरिका जा रहे हैं, 4-5 दिन टाइम पास करना है, तो टाइम पास करने के लिए हमको बुलाना, आपका मीडिया को मैनेज करके, हेडलाइन मैनेजमेंट करके कुछ कोशिश कर रहे हैं. इससे ज्यादा इसमें कुछ है ही नहीं. जो सवाल करेंगे बिल्कुल उसका जवाब देंगे. अगर 10 बार भी बुलाएंगे तो 10 बार जाएंगे, 10 बार जवाब देंगे. हमने कुछ गलत किया ही नहीं तो क्या चीज है?
In what capacity are you called, sir? As a witness?
I have no idea. I am a victim. I am a victim of the propaganda that has been unleashed against my party and our leaders in the last 2 years. I have been linked to actresses. I have been accused in media of tapping their phones. And then later government actually says no heroines' phones were tapped, no actresses' phones were tapped. So I am the victim of character assassination. I am the victim of this slander campaign that was run by government and Congress party. So I'm presuming I'm being called as a victim.